Hey everyone, thanks so much for asking for a little bit more information about our amazing company, Life Expressions Decor. I want to thank you for taking the time ahead to watch this video, and I just want you to keep an open mind and open heart because you never know, this opportunity could be for you, and if it's not, it could definitely be for someone that you know. So thanks for tuning in, and I hope to be hearing from you very soon. Okay, so the first slide I have here is what is Life Expressions Decor? So if you've not heard of the company, it's a company that's based out of Michigan. It expanded nationwide in 2012, and it is a ground floor opportunity. That means the market is not saturated. There are less than 100 consultants or creators in Massachusetts, and just over 500 nationwide, with more than 200 of those creators located in Michigan. There are 3 ways to sell product and earn money with our company, which is what I'm going to talk to you about in this video. So the 3 ways that we can earn income are through our make and take parties, catalog sales, and team building. So as far as the make and take party goes, similar to a home party for many other direct sale businesses, a host would invite her friends to her home, and they're going to participate in by making a 4x24 wooden vinyl sign. What's different about Life Expressions is that each guest is coming to the party and they're going to participate. That means that you're never going to leave a party without sales. Plus, with the ability to make additional signs and order from the catalog, your profit is only going to go up from there. As a creator and instructor of these parties, you're going to earn a 56% profit margin on these make and takes. And yes, that is the highest in the industry. So here's an example of what our make and take parties look like, as well as a banner that I use in a lot of my Facebook parties. I like to show this because actually when I joined the company, I had not ever made a sign or been to a party, so I really didn't know what I was getting myself into. I just knew that it was going to be an awesome ride. So we now offer workshops. So beginning February 1st, 2018, we can now host in-person as well as virtual workshops with our amazing catalog items. Workshops can be held in your home, in a host home, at a restaurant or venue, or even virtually. Your customers can order everything they need right through the catalog, and it can be shipped directly to them. They can even purchase a paintbrush and paint. Catalog sales. Life Expressions has a gorgeous all-color catalog with items that your customers can purchase. These items can be purchased by your customers for them to make at home or at a workshop. The company also comes out with 2 mini catalogs every year, one for January to June and one for July to December. These mini catalogs feature seasonal items as well as new items that may not be included in the large main catalog. Earnings for our catalog items are 30%. Team building. Again, as a ground floor opportunity, we're always looking for new creators because we're unable to keep up with the demand for parties. When you add creators to your team, you can earn additional income and commissions off their sales volume. This includes make and takes, catalog sales, and purchases of wood through the company. As a new creator, you can participate in the Express Start program and earn up to a total of $720 in free product credit, as well as a free personalized 21-inch round sign, a family sign, and a utility tote bag and t-shirt. We also have a super reward where you can earn a gorgeous sterling silver necklace. As a new creator, you do not have to worry about training your new team members that you add. They're just simply there for you to lock arms with and do it side by side. There are plenty of creators and leaders on our team that will help your new team members. For training, we have training in person, online, on the phone, and in your starter kit. Plus, we have Facebook groups that you'll be added to so that you can help answer any of those 2 a.m. questions. So I have a couple of frequently asked questions. The first one, is it complicated? No, as your sponsor or leader, I'll walk you through everything and show you all the tips and tricks I've learned along the way. I've been with the company for about 2 years, and believe me, there are a lot of things I've learned that I will share with you to help you make your business easier. Whether you learn better by watching or doing, I'll be there to help you make sure you feel comfortable. If you are located in Massachusetts, you do have the benefit of local team for support. We do quarterly trainings and workshops. But if you're not local, we do have Facebook groups for consultants only, where everyone shares their tips, tricks, including the company owners. Do you need specialty tools? I am so excited to say that we no longer need any specialty tools to run this business. Everything you need can be purchased right from the company. All of the wood, all of the paint, all of the vinyl, any business materials, and so much more. A good question that people always ask is, what is the quota to stay active? To remain an engaged and active creator, you will need to order $300 every 3 months. That works out to just 1 to 2 make and take parties a month, or 1 party and a few catalog orders. Plus, you are not locked in. I just ask that you give it an honest try for 4 to 6 parties, and if you decide that it's not for you, that's okay. You made some money and can simply move on. No long-term commitments. So you could either do 3 $100 orders, or you could do 1 $300 order and be set for the 3 months. I'm a little shy and not a great salesperson. Will I be comfortable with this? Yes. The beauty of our make and take parties is that every guest who attends is an automatic sale. They are paying to be there. You will find yourself interacting with customers easily as people ask you if you like their paint combinations or ask for help matching something in their home. Since there's no big presentation at a Life Expressions make and take party, this will be right up your alley. My spouse or partner is skeptical of direct sales and feels like I won't make any money. What do I say to them? That's easy. Unlike any other direct sales or party planning company, you can predict the minimum income you will make before you even walk through the host's store. You will know how many people are coming and the minimum number of boards being made. It can only go up from there. With extra boards being made and guests buying or submitting catalog orders, no other company gives you that assurance of guaranteed sales. Since every guest pays to attend, you don't have to worry about how good your presentation is or how good of a salesperson you are, or worry that some guests will leave without buying. That just simply doesn't happen here. It's an easy company to predict your income and to budget for something specific, such as a car payment. So I always like to just stop on the slide for 1 second and kind of come out of hiding, because this is what attracted me to Life Expressions so much. Prior to Life Expressions, I had been with 9 other direct sale companies, some full-time, some just as a hobby. And this is something I ran into time after time. There were so many nights that I would leave my family, spend hours away from home, be using all of my samples, my gas mileage, my time, everything, and leave without a single sale. And it was heartbreaking at times. And it was hard to leave my family for that kind of time commitment, knowing that I wasn't making any money, that I probably could have just went and got a job at Target. So to be able to budget and to be able to know that, I've got 10 guests coming to this party, I know exactly how much I'm going to at least walk out with, it's a really, really great feeling. So I just like to kind of put that in. So obviously the most important question is, how much does it cost to start a Life Expressions business? So we have this gorgeous all new starter kit, and this starter kit is going to come with 2 large catalogs, a Life Expressions apron, 28 1-ounce milk paint colors, 7 chalk paint milk paint colors, 1 sealer, 1 poly, 10 of our make and takes, 10 of our make and take boards, 10 order forms, 10 mini catalogs, a completed paint color ring, a vinyl color swatch ring, a reference ring, 10 hooks, 10 brushes, 10 scraper card rulers, 10 pairs of scissors, a roll of painter's tape, a coupon to bring a friend, some information for our back office, and you're also going to get a whole bunch of samples. You're going to get a round family sign, including the wood and the vinyl. You're going to get a 6x24 welcome vinyl. You're going to get a 14 round baby stat vinyl with the round sign. You're going to get 2 8x8 slatted blocks and the blocks and the vinyl. You're going to get 1 6x6 and signed slatted block and the vinyl and the wood. You're going to get 1 12x18 family sign, and you're going to get the wood for that. So as you see down the bottom, this kit comes with everything that you need to get started right away. It's a $600 value for only $329. The best thing, one of the best things about this, is that we can also give you some really great deals for add-ons. Now these are specific just from January to March, but these add-on items are as follows. You can add on kit number 1, which is a supply kit for $85. It's got free shipping, but you don't get any personal sales volume. It comes with 100 order forms, 10 large catalogs, 50 mini catalogs, 50 12 by 28 bags, and 100 hooks. We also can add on you a paint bundle, which is a great deal at $160. And these are our 4-ounce bottles. You get one of every color, milk and chalk paints, and that you're going to get $100 in PSV for that. And that's to go towards your 3 months for $300. And then the third one is some seasonal items. This one costs $110. You're going to get $100 in PSV, and you're going to get all of those things, including the wood, for that one there, which is amazing. So that would be a really great one if you're someone who is interested in doing craft shows and vendor fairs. This is the amazing Express Start reward I was telling you about. We have some really incredible bundles where you would get to earn those in your first 3 months of business. We also have you to be able to bring a friend. We have you can get that bag, the family sign, and the 21-inch round. And then the super reward is that gorgeous sterling silver necklace that I was telling you about for a total value of $720. We do have a February join special if you are watching this in the month of late January or February. When you join in February, you are going to get one of our amazing new logo t-shirts. Has a back and front option. It's V-neck and short sleeve and super cute. So another great question that people ask, and I think this is the last slide, is how quickly can I earn back the cost of my kit? Because that's obviously a very important part. And really almost immediately. The kit comes with 10 make and takes and 10 pieces of make and take wood. You're going to sell these at your first party and earn back an immediate $220. The paint, catalogs, sealer, poly, scraper card rulers, scissors, painter's tape, all that stuff is going to last you for many more parties and workshops. Then you also get 7 samples inside your kit. A few of them can be sold. Some of them are personalized, so they cannot be sold, but those sample signs are always our best sellers. So make them, show them at your parties and workshops, and I'm confident that you'll sell a lot of them. Remember, no one has to be great to start, but you do have to start to be great. Just think about where you could be in 6 months financially if this worked for you. So I like to put up this slide because there are a lot of team members on my team that have been able to do the following things on this slide with their Life Expressions business, and I'd like to help you reach some of those goals too. So I want to thank you so much for listening. If you do have any questions, my phone number is on the slide that you can call or text me, my email, and also my Facebook account as well. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or the person who invited you onto this video. And I want to thank you so much for your time, and I hope that you loved everything that you